Hi, I'm Kelli Metcalf with Whissel Realty, and I'm here at my brand new listing at 3159 Winlow Street. I'm going to take you inside and show you a few of my favorite features. Come on and join me. We're inside the home, and one of my favorite features is this beautiful remodeled kitchen along with the bathrooms. Another one of my favorite features is the vaulted ceiling with the wood beams and the brick fireplace. My favorite feature of all is we sit on a huge corner lot. This property is also located just a few blocks away from Chalice Lake Park. So again, I'm Kelli Metcalf with Whissel Realty, and if you would like more information on this property, please contact me at the number below.